Hey everyone, it's Tania, and I'm Tania and this is Taniamadeit, and today I'm going to be working on a Bootblack Stand for my friend. I already cut all the wood up, so this is what the stand is going to look like, and it's going to be able to come apart. So this is the place where you would put the chair, this is where you put the feet, and then these bars is where you set up holes for the person to be able to rest their feet. So here's the cut list. I cut up all the wood, as you can see on my workbench. So I labeled all the pieces, B1, B2, all the pieces that I needed. I already pre-cut all that stuff, just so it'd make it easier. It asked for 2x4s and a couple of 4x4s. I didn't have 4x4s, so what I did is I glued up two 2x4s, creating a 4x4. What I will do for the mock 4x4s is I'm gonna pass them through my joiner just to make sure they're real straight, because this is gonna be what the base is mostly on, and I want these to be very, very sturdy, because you want it to be able to hold the person's weight. I'm going to be using 3/4 plywood, and it's going to be 36 by 36, and I already got the plywood ready to cut up to 36 by 36. I have a 4x4 sheet, about a 4x8, and I cut it up to two sheets of 4x4 so I could fit it in my car. So yeah, I'll put you guys a time lapse, and so you can see I slap everything together. As I'll show you really quick, he printed out, I don't know if he bought these plans and then sent them to me, so I'm not going to be able to put them in the description below, but basically, if you can see here, what the plans are going to be is the 4x4 in the middle, and then you drill in 20.5 on either side on either adjacent side of the 4x4, and then you put the middle board is 20.5 inches, the 4x4 is 24, and these two outer pieces you see here are also 24. So these 10.5 boards are what's gonna hold the edge of the plywood that's gonna go on top. So these are the legs, and on the legs that are in the front, that's going to hold the front base where the legs go, where the person's legs go, is going to be this, and this is 8.5, and then this is a 12, and this opening here is going to hold the front part where the person puts the legs, and there's another leg that's going to be holding the front of that. That's going to be the same type of setup as this. So it's going to be 4 legs like this, and 2 are gonna have this additional piece to the front of it. Yeah, so see, that's how the front ones look like, adding that piece, and at the end it'll look like that. See what I'm talking about? You can see in here, this is where the plywood piece on top gets embedded on those 2 pieces, and it'll hold the wood. Okay, so this clip ended up with no audio, so here's me narrating it while editing. So there's the front of it that's gonna slide into that piece. As you saw, I rounded everything over so it'd be easier to carry around and easier to just throw around and not have the edges chip out or have all the sharp corners be damaged. I did treat all the wood, as you can see, this orangey tint to it. I treated it with some oil-based finish that's supposed to be water resistant. I do eventually I do paint this for my friend. Once he saw it, he wanted me to paint it with a specific pattern and all this stuff. I wasn't able to record that because that was last minute thing, but that's the front of it. You'll see me put this together in a little bit, but I just wanted to show you guys how it's going to slide into here, and I pretty much explain that how versatile now it looks once it's all taken apart, and you'll see how easy it is to put together in a little bit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any advice for this video or anything at all. Help a girl out and subscribe to this YouTube channel. If not for me, do it for this face. How can you say no to this face? Look at that. Subscribe to my mommy's channel, please. Please help her buy me more milk bones. I only work for milk bones.